Dear husband, as you are preoccupied with other women, I hereby announce our divorce. I divorce you. I divorce you. I divorce you. Take care. Your ex-wife.
Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the gripping lives of royalty. Today, we delve into the heart-wrenching tale of Shekha Mahara and Sheikh Mana, whose fairy tale wedding ended in unexpected turmoil. Their journey began with a majestic wedding in 2023. Shekha Mahara, the cherished daughter of Dubai's ruler, married Sheikh Mana in a lavish ceremony that captivated the world. It was a spectacle of grandeur, adorned with opulent decorations, attended by royalty, celebrities, and dignitaries from around the globe. The celebrations lasted for days, with each event more extravagant than the last, showcasing their deep love and the unity of their families. Their love appeared picture-perfect. Welcoming their first child, a daughter, in May 2024, their happiness overflowed onto social media with joyful family portraits. They attended high-profile events together, radiating unity and affection. Their daughter became the center of their world, bringing them immense joy. Public appearances were filled with warmth and smiles, portraying an image of a perfect family. Yet, beneath the facade of happiness, subtle cracks began to appear. Close friends noticed tension between them. They stopped posting photos together on social media, and whispers of trouble in paradise began to circulate. Rumors hinted at disagreements and strained moments behind closed doors. Friends and close associates noticed that their interactions became less frequent and more formal. What do you think happened behind the scenes? Could it have been the pressures of public life, or were there deeper issues at play? As months passed, the rumors grew more troubling. Allegations of Sheikh Mana's infidelity surfaced, casting a shadow over their once idyllic relationship. Shekha Mahara, known for her elegance and composure, remained silent amidst the swirling gossip, focusing on her daughter and her public duties. She threw herself into her charitable work, supporting initiatives aimed at empowering women and children, hoping to distract herself from her personal troubles. The turning point came when Shekha Mahara made a bold and public declaration on Instagram, accusing Sheikh Mana of betrayal. Dear husband, as you are preoccupied with other women, I hereby announce a divorce. I divorce you. I divorce you. I divorce you. Take care. Your ex-wife. Her message sent shockwaves through social media, laying bare the cracks in their once envied union. Supporters praised her bravery for speaking out, while others expressed disbelief at the sudden turn of events. Messages of solidarity poured in from around the world, with many sharing their own stories of resilience in the face of betrayal. Public opinion was divided. Some saw her as a strong woman taking control of her life, while others were shocked at the public nature of the announcement. What would you have done in her position? Do you think she was right to go public with her declaration? Despite the heartache, Shekha Mahara found solace in her role as a mother. She focused on raising their daughter amidst the emotional turmoil of separation. Her commitment to her daughter's well-being became her anchor, guiding her through the storm of public scrutiny. She continued to attend her daughter's school events, ensuring that her child felt loved and supported despite the upheaval. Throughout it all, Shekha Mahara leaned on her family for unwavering support. Her father, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, stood by her side, ensuring that she and her daughter were protected and cared for during this difficult time. Their close bond provided her with the strength to navigate the challenges ahead. She often spoke of her father's wisdom and guidance, crediting him with helping her maintain her dignity and focus during the ordeal. Publicly, Shekha Mahara maintained her grace and dignity. Her story became a symbol of resilience and empowerment, inspiring many who faced similar struggles in their own lives. She continued to fulfill her royal duties, attending events and using her platform to advocate for causes close to her heart, particularly women's rights and empowerment. She delivered powerful speeches, encouraging women to stand up for themselves and not be defined by their circumstances. As Shekha Mehra embarked on a new chapter in her life, her story continued to resonate with people around the world. Her journey served as a powerful reminder of the complexities within relationships and the importance of self-worth and integrity in the face of adversity. She launched new initiatives aimed at providing support for single mothers and women going through similar situations, using her personal experience to offer guidance and hope. Months after the divorce announcement, details emerged about the legal proceedings and the division of assets. The media closely followed every update, speculating on the financial impact of the separation on both parties. Reports suggested that Sheikh Mana attempted reconciliation, seeking forgiveness both publicly and privately. He issued statements expressing regret and remorse, hoping to mend the broken relationship. However, Shekha Mehra remained firm in her decision, prioritizing her own well-being and that of her daughter. Do you think reconciliation was possible, or was it too late for forgiveness? What would you do in such a situation? In the midst of personal turmoil, Shekha Mehra's resilience shone through. She continued to engage with charitable causes, using her platform to raise awareness about issues affecting women and children in the UAE and beyond. Her public appearances and speeches became rallying cries for empowerment and self-reliance. She traveled extensively, meeting with leaders and activists to discuss strategies for improving the lives of women and children. Throughout the ordeal, Shekha Mehra's bond with her daughter remained unwavering. Together, they navigated the challenges of single parenthood in the public eye, drawing strength from each other and their close-knit circle of family and friends. They were often seen enjoying quiet moments together, whether it was a visit to a local park or a simple day out shopping, emphasizing the importance of family and love. As time passed, Shekha Mehra's story evolved into a narrative of triumph over adversity. Her journey became a source of inspiration for many, illustrating the resilience of the human spirit in the face of personal and public scrutiny. She published a memoir detailing her experiences, which quickly became a bestseller, offering an intimate look into her life and the lessons she learned along the way. Join a royalty, filled with love, drama, and intrigue. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more compelling stories. What are your thoughts on Shekha Mehra's journey? Do you think her story serves as an inspiration? Share your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching.